Imagine if computers could learn from experience instead of being explicitly programmed for every single task. That is the basic idea behind machine learning, one of the most powerful parts of modern artificial intelligence. Instead of telling a computer exactly what to do step by step, we give it data and allow it to find patterns, make decisions, and improve over time. This approach is what powers things like recommendations on streaming platforms, voice assistants, fraud detection systems, and even self-driving cars that adapt to real-world environments. All of this happens through learning from examples rather than instructions. To understand machine learning in simple terms, think about how humans learn. Machine learning works in a similar way. A computer is shown many examples, and it uses those examples to learn patterns. The more data it sees, the better it becomes at making predictions or decisions without being directly programmed for each scenario. At the heart of machine learning is data. Data is simply information, and it can come in many forms such as text, images, numbers, or even sound. For example, if you want a machine to recognize faces, you would feed it thousands or even millions of images of faces. Each image helps the system understand what makes a face unique. The more diverse and accurate the data is, the better the machine can learn. Poor quality data can lead to poor results, which is why collecting and cleaning data is one of the most important steps. Once the data is collected, the next step is training the model. A model is like the brain of the machine learning system. During training, the model looks at the data and tries to find patterns or relationships. For example, if the system is learning to identify spam emails, it might notice that certain words or phrases appear frequently in spam messages. Over time, it adjusts itself to better recognize these patterns. This process involves a lot of trial and error, where the system continuously improves its understanding by comparing its predictions to actual outcomes. This is one of the most widely used types because it is easier to understand and control compared to other methods used in machine learning systems today. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, works with data that has no labels. The system is not told what the correct answers are. Instead, it tries to find patterns or groupings on its own. For example, it might analyze customer data and group people based on their behavior or preferences. This type of learning is useful for discovering hidden patterns that humans might not easily notice. It is commonly used in areas like market research, recommendation systems, and data analysis, where patterns are not clearly defined beforehand. Reinforcement learning is a bit different from the other two. In this approach, the system learns by interacting with its environment. It takes actions and receives rewards or penalties based on those actions. Over time, it learns which actions lead to better outcomes. This is similar to how humans learn through trial and error. Reinforcement learning is often used in robotics, gaming, and self-driving technology, where systems must make decisions in real time and adapt based on feedback from their surroundings and changing conditions. Another important concept in machine learning is algorithms. An algorithm is simply a set of rules or instructions that the system follows to learn from data. There are many different algorithms, each designed for specific types of tasks. Some are better at recognizing patterns in images, while others are more suited for analyzing numbers or predicting trends. Choosing the right algorithm is crucial because it can significantly affect how well the system performs and how quickly it learns from the data it is given. After the model is trained, it needs to be tested. Testing helps us understand how well the system performs on new data that it has never seen before. This is important because a model might perform very well on training data, but fail in real-world situations. When you use a smartphone, features like face recognition and voice commands rely on machine learning. Even financial systems use it to detect unusual transactions and prevent fraud. These applications show how powerful and useful machine learning can be when it is applied correctly in different industries and everyday technologies around the world.